Hey, what is going on, guys, and welcome to the video. Now, the super dirty truck that is sitting behind me today is a 2018 Ford F-150 that is used as a work truck. And as you guys can see, it is an absolute mess. Okay, so taking a look around this F-150, and it doesn't take long to see why this truck has earned the disaster detail status, as every inch of it is covered in mud. From the running boards to the carpeted wheel wells, this is easily one of the dirtiest trucks I've seen for quite a while. Even the underside is muddy too. But just before we dive into this disaster work truck, take a second and make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you never miss out on a future video. Okay guys, well, you have seen just how dirty this truck is, so you know the transformation is going to be epic on this one. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright guys, well, as I get started on the pre-wash rinse here, I wanted to welcome you back to the second channel. And for any of you out there who might be new to this channel, this is where I post all the different kinds of videos that you guys have asked for, whether that be these clean with me videos, real-time details, compilations, day in the life videos, you name it. There's lots of different videos here than what you see over on the main channel, so be sure to subscribe so you never miss out on one of them. Working my way around the truck now, and as you guys can already tell, the pressure washer is going to get a good workout today, as there is no way I'm giving this truck back to the owner with even a speck of dirt on it, especially the underside. But besides the incredible transformation this truck makes, be sure to stick around until the end of the video to catch the owner's reaction. Now, that's not something I'm always able to film for you guys, and this is one you don't want to miss. Now, just in case some of you didn't catch the main channel video of this truck, I figured I'd mention again about where all the damage on the truck came from. So the owner actually hit the ditch with the truck a few days before this detail and ended up scratching up the whole passenger side pretty good, but there was also a ton of other damage around the truck that added up to almost $11,000 Canadian, which was fortunately all covered by insurance. Moving to spraying the box out, and you can probably see there's quite a bit of mud back here, along with a ton of nails as well, since the owner works as a roofer. So this is definitely the one part of a muddy truck that I dislike the most, as either I'm getting sprayed in the face with muddy water, or it all ends up on my driveway and I just have to clean it up again. So unfortunately, there really isn't an easier way to deal with a mess like this, especially when the mud is practically frozen like it is here. Okay, getting some nice thick foam on the truck, and I wanted to remind you guys about the day in the life video I recently posted on the channel. So if you've ever wondered what I do when I'm not detailing or who Mike is, well, make sure you check out that video after this one. You guys won't be disappointed. Starting on drying the truck now, and for that I'm using my Detail Geek Ultra Plush drying towel, which at 1250 GSM can easily handle all the water on this truck. So for anyone out there who loves super soft towels, well, I've got these available on my website at detailgeekautocare.com, and I would highly recommend you give them a look. They've been back in stock for about a week, but are selling very fast again, so be sure to get your hands on one while you can. Working my way around the truck, applying a synthetic paint sealant now, and you might be wondering, what about the interior? Well, if you saw the main channel video, you'd know it was a disgusting mess too, but the interior clean with me episode was actually posted over a month ago, so if you want to see the rest of the transformation on this truck, be sure to check out that video. Alright, with the glass clean now, I'll get to work on applying 303's aerospace protectant to all the black exterior plastic on the truck to give it some much needed UV protection and leave it with a deep matte black finish that just looks incredible. Last up is to apply CarPro Pearl to the tires, which is a water-based dressing so it won't sling all over the paint when the owner drives away. And the nice thing about this stuff is that you can dilute it for application to various surfaces like plastics and leather. Come on in. Have a look. Looking good.
Beauty.
A little less mud on it now, so.
Oh, there's a lot of it. Yeah. Oh, that looks excellent. Man. You can really notice all the dings now.
Yeah. We have to have a look inside. That's where all the
yeah, for sure. Oh, looks better than brand new.
Awesome.
Wow. It is brand new.
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah. Yeah, there were some pretty good stains in there.
Oh, for sure. Like even this, hey?
Yeah, I think it's pretty
good. Probably the worst, isn't it?
Yeah.
Don't think it'll ever look this good again. I really don't.
Okay, well,
I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Yeah, absolutely. Enjoy it.
Alrighty.
Alright, see ya.
Thanks.
Well, 14 very long hours later, and the truck is looking absolutely incredible. And I have to say, as nice as it was getting to work on a truck for a change, that was a lot of work. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Do me a favor and let me know down in the comments what your favorite part of the video was. And as always, guys, enjoy the guitar outro, and I'll see you guys in the next one.